So Genesis Media is focused on really deeply understanding user attention and engagement with content, and using the intelligence that you can derive from that understanding to create better ad experiences. So the genesis of Genesis, excuse me, I use that a lot, is we were taking a look at the ad landscape, and clearly on the demand side, from a video advertising perspective, there's a lot of growth that wants to happen in digital video advertising specifically. And then we look on the publishing side, we see these incredible wells of great content, editorial, photo, recipe, workout content that is not being monetized as effectively as we believe it can. And so we started the business really focused on this idea of in-article video, and this was years ago. We realized very quickly that while it's easy to create an ad format, put a video ad on a page, it's really difficult to optimize those ad formats, to figure out where to place them, who to place them in front of, and ensure that you're not only getting great viewability, which we're focused on, but also performance from a VTR perspective and a post-recall perspective. And so we built this big data platform, this structured data platform that sits on the back of our business that is focused on driving data from the page and understanding the amount of attention that each user has with a particular article. Using that with our data science to ensure that we are delivering the right ad format to the appropriate page in front of the appropriate user. We started in outstream video advertising, and we're very quickly expanding beyond there.
So, outstream is sort of building up. It's growing as a format. So, what is your particular role in that world, and what are the keys to success, not just for your advertisers, but also for the publishers and the consumer experience?
So, outstream video ad formats are easy. They're reasonably easy to build. They're difficult to deploy. They're very difficult to optimize for performance and scalability for the brand as well as for the publisher. Very early on in the business of Genesis Media, we realized that you needed a better pool of signals to determine where and when you place these video ad formats. This data infrastructure, the math that sits on top of it, that drives where we place these ads, who we place them in front of, and which format we employ, that is completely unique to our business. Easy to build an ad format, difficult to get it to scale and perform. That's what we're focused on, and that differentiates us from everyone else. Part of this is also the consumer experience. The reality is that there are certain pieces of content, there are certain categories of content where these types of units make sense and can perform well. Our job from a math and data science perspective is to understand which pages those are. If you can pick the appropriate pages and you can serve these ads to the appropriate consumers, they make better sense, the value exchange is better understood, and they perform.
Cool, and just give us an idea of the scope of your business in terms of growth, in terms of the operationally, the kinds of clients. Give us sort of an overview if you could.
So 2015 has been a massive year for us in growth across our platform, as well as from a top-line sales perspective. Very clearly, viewability has raised the profile of out-of-stream video advertising as a category. This year was a 2.5x plus growth year for us. We are now collecting or monitoring 25 million URLs on a daily basis across our platform. We are performing 75 billion page-level calculations on a monthly basis. We are seeing several hundred million uniques across the platform, and we're working with hundreds of publishers, and that's growing very quickly.